Rheem 3.5kW 120V Tankless Water Heater Review. The Rheem 3.5kW 120V Tankless Water Heater is a compact point-of-use solution designed to deliver instant hot water exactly where you need it. Electrical requirements. This unit requires a 30-amp double-pole breaker and must be hardwired to 120 volts. Proper electrical setup is essential, so always confirm your home's compatibility before installation. Space-saving design. The heater is up to 98% smaller than a standard electric water heater, making it ideal for tight spaces. It's perfect for low-flow applications such as bathrooms, office break rooms, wet bars, or garages. Compact yet powerful, it ensures reliable hot water without taking up valuable room. Adjustable temperature control. Equipped with thermostatic controls adjustable in 1-degree increments, the unit allows precise settings between 80 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures consistent, on-demand hot water tailored to your comfort. Installation made simple. Designed to be mounted upright, the heater features inlet and outlet water connections at the bottom for easy installation. With no venting required, it offers flexibility to be installed in a variety of locations, quickly and efficiently. Warranty and returns. Rheem provides manufacturer warranty support, and if purchased through Amazon, you're covered by their 30-day voluntary return guarantee. This adds peace of mind to your investment. The Rheem 3.5kW 120V Tankless Water Heater combines space-saving design, precise temperature control, and reliable performance for small applications. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment to learn more or purchase today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more professional product reviews.